Hello all, Marieke here for Studio Light. Today I hope to inspire you with a card using the fall Sweet Stories release. For my project today I used stamp and cutting die 73, stamp 548 and 271, stamp and cutting die 49, mask 243 and Paperpad 98. Off camera, I created the base of the card. It's a top fold white base card 4 1/4 inch by 11, scored at 5.5. For my background, I cut a blue rectangle 4 1/4 inch by 5.5. To create my background, I used the colors Salvaged Patina and Peacock feathers. First off, I ink blended the side with both colors. Then I temporarily added a mask on the background and inked up the first layer using Salvaged Patina. I removed the mask and adhered it to the other side on top of the first layer. Then I used peacock feathers to add in the second layer. I mixed up some peacock feathers with water and splattered it onto the background. After that, I also added a layer of white paint splatters. I adhered the background onto the base using double-sided tape. Off camera, I did all the preparations for my card. Using a orange ink, I stamped both sentiments. I cut one using my scissors and the other one with a die. I stamped all the images, colored them up using my Copic Markers and cut them with the matching dies that come with the Sweet Story sets. I placed everything onto the card so I could decide where I wanted the leaves to be. After that, I stamped the lines using a black ink. After I was done stamping, I adhered all the elements onto the card using foam tape. If you would like to see more of my card making videos for Studio Light, leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!